not
Come
about
on,
it.
then. Come on,
And if it
then.
was the other way around, you go mental.
2 seconds, 4 seconds, 6
you
seconds.
started?
Yes.
Got to do it now.
Because you're my bitch. Smile.
Are you pissing about now yourself?
No. Talk about speed cubing.
Yeah, well, it's because you lot have been pissing about and putting me off.
Speed up.
Oh, dear. 56 seconds. Natalie, I'm filming you, don't panic.
Bloody Fabsy up first. He's looking graceful as he gets ready to launch into a triple backflip. Here he goes. Oh! Fucked it big time. That looked painful. It doesn't take him long before he ends up in shit creek. If this was a big splash competition, nailed it. Look at that. He starts off determined face, and then on this rotation, he realises it's gone horribly wrong, throws his hands in the fucking air, and just hopes for the best. Try not to get too winded.
Oh,
But yeah,
that's gonna
big splash,
hurt.
winner, chicken
Come on, boy, you only
dinner.
got
And
2
look at
bits to
this,
do.
Celebrating a score of 0. It's not about winning, it's about having fun. Pahoyo up next.
They were terrible. Philippines.
2 minutes, 53, 54, 55.
Oh, way to put pressure on me, Jane.